guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title and thumbnail, I am very excited for something that I've been wanting to do since I've been a little kid. I've wanted this longer than I've wanted anything, my Challenger, my Charger. The only thing I've wanted longer than a motorcycle is a Lamborghini, and that obviously can't happen right now. But if you're new to the channel, like if you were one of the subscribers that came in February when I had all those views and stuff happening, welcome. I don't know how to explain to you my channel is. It's really just looking around what cars I own. I don't own any cars right now. I have a truck and maybe some supercars and my friends' cars and stuff, but I am moving to Ohio in a month, so yeah, and that's why I bought the motorcycle for you guys to do videos on. Anyways, waiting on the truck to pull up right now, and we'll be delivering. I'll be riding around here. I do have my GoPro set up on the helmet, but it's not, the mic's not set up. The mic's running, but it's not set up yet. I don't have the adapter. It's coming next week, so I'll be doing these videos for you guys, but here we go. There she blows, mateys. Oh man, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I haven't rode a bike in like a couple years. I'm scared. I'm gonna hop on and we're gonna, obviously I told you I have some, oh my gosh. I have my GoPro set up, but I do not have the mic set up. So this bad boy crank up. Oh my gosh, dude, look at that damn thing. Oh yes. Alrighty guys, so huge fail on my part. I thought I was recording the first ride, which went really well. It went really well, but I wasn't recording. I like past kids that wanted me to rev it. I got my first wave from the R1. The ride went really well, and I was like excited and screaming and whatnot. So I was going to record one today, but it's raining. If it's not raining by the time I want to go ride, the time I was planning on going to ride, it's still raining. Like actually raining, then I probably won't go, but if it's wet, then I might go. I'm so pissed at myself. Alright guys, as you saw, I failed the last time, but here she is. It's getting a little dark, you can't really see too well. Don't got the mic yet, like I said, but man, I'm having some fun on this. Kids wanted me to do wheels and shit yesterday, dude. It was freaking awesome. Go ahead and hop on this, ride around the parking lot a little bit. Man, I love this. So freaking fun. Oh my gosh, am I recording? Yep, I had to make sure. Oh my gosh, guys. This is amazing. Woo! guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, whatever. I'm sorry that this footage was crooked, but it's side mounted right now. I got an arm that's gonna swing it around this way and have it in front. It's gonna be level. So like I said, make sure you guys subscribe because I'm gonna be doing a lot of content, especially when I get to Ohio. I'll be doing a good bit of content on this. So I'm excited. I'll see you when I see you.